Alex, so if you can tell me a little bit about the emerging markets managed accounts platform for UCITS products that Milltrust has.
Effectively, the EMMA PLC is the UCITS platform that we at Milltrust have structured and adopted for the majority of our clients' investments into liquid strategies. EMMA is technically an open-ended investment company domiciled in Dublin, Ireland, and regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland. The platform was built in partnership with State Street Bank, who are the custodian of the platform and who are also the administrators. And for the Milltrust range of sub-funds on this platform, they also act as the managed accounts infrastructure provider and provide a very sophisticated online risk reporting technology for our clients to benefit from.
And Alex, what's unique about this platform?
I think the unique feature of this platform is that it's a emerging markets focused and frontier markets dedicated platform. And essentially, with all the various funds that we've onboarded into this platform, they're all country focused or regionally focused, and together form the building blocks for a truly global emerging markets offering from which investors can choose funds on a fund-by-fund basis according to their preferences, or create their own baskets or invest across the entire spectrum of funds, a range of funds on this platform, and weigh these allocations according to their own personal macro views and investment convictions, or also with the help of Milltrust investment solutions business, which helps them with allocation advice.
And what are some of the ways that you expect the platform to expand from here, particularly given the appetite for UCITS products?
We're now at a stage where UCITS has become obviously a growing segment in the marketplace, especially in Europe. And we've had a lot of investment managers come up to us inquiring about how to set up a regulated structure in Europe and how to incorporate the UCITS vehicles within their business growth strategies. So having put in place this very robust infrastructure and spent a lot of time and resources and financial commitments to developing this platform, we're now at a stage where we're inviting third-party emerging market managers to come and approach us and see how we can maybe help them with their UCITS strategy for the growth of their businesses.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
And so, in fact, whereas high net worth individuals and private banks were traditionally the main allocators to the UCITS space, we've now seen this industry grow where institutional investors are now become the primary drivers of these allocations, and have actually also become the largest allocators to these vehicles. So to put it in perspective, we have around 35,000 UCITS funds representing $7.5 trillion of assets, which is quite significant. So for these reasons, there's a lot of appeal from international investment managers looking to set up investment or UCITS vehicles in Europe.
And in connection with this platform, where do you expect to see some of the biggest opportunities going forward?
I think where there's clearly an opportunity is that within this $7.5 trillion, one, there's an opportunity in the liquid alternative space, and this is an area which only accounts for not even 3% of the entire assets under management of the industry, and despite growing 40% year on year since 2008. And we're now seeing a lot of these current existing strategies reaching capacity, and so there's clearly a growth and a need for this 3% to obviously expand from this low point onwards. It's a well-known fact that international investors are underallocated to emerging market investment managers or to the emerging market space, and the result of that is I think there's a clear problem in terms of the quality of managers that come that are available to investment professionals. So we have we see these large global asset management firms based in New York or in London who actually have colossal marketing budgets and who are able to attract the bulk of all the assets investing into these emerging market destinations. And meanwhile, they're underperforming. They're clearly not, they're not on the ground, et cetera. And so, in contrast, you have these amazing investment managers that we see every day coming to our office or when we visit Asia or Brazil or emerging markets. And these come in the form of either boutique investment managers, hedge fund managers possibly, who have unique specialist investment skills, or even in domestic asset management companies, which run multiple billions of dollars under management, all locally in local currency, and who have a large resources on the ground team who speak the languages, who understand the cultural nuances of these different regions, who are close to management, and know the companies inside out, who live and breathe these markets. And we see that there's an opportunity for these groups who are often not even known in Europe or in the US, to come out and join and structure a UCITS product that resonates with European investors in a benign structure, and that allows them to get their branding out and to really make ripples and disrupt the current market industry by providing real sources of alpha.